If your room has no window, it can feel smaller than it really is. A basement corner, laundry room, hallway, or inside office can have clean paint and decent storage, but still feel like a box. The problem is not only brightness. The problem is direction. When all the light comes from one ceiling bulb, the room feels flat, harsh, and artificial. A real window or skylight would fix that, but for most windowless rooms, it is not realistic. In an apartment, condo, basement, or interior room, you usually cannot just cut a new window into the building. And if the building can be changed, now you are talking about structure, framing, waterproofing, permits, exterior work, and labor. That can become a few $1,000 project very quickly. So this hack is not a real window. It is a daylight illusion. The goal is simple. Make the wall look like soft light is entering from a framed opening. No outdoor view, no fake sky print, no roof cutting, just a clean glowing window shape that changes how the room feels. There are two versions you can choose from. Option A is the stronger LED flat panel version. It uses a 2x4 LED flat panel, a shallow wood frame, decorative casing, simple mullions, a dimmer, and a hidden cord path. This version is brighter, cleaner, and more modern. It is also heavier, more expensive, and more serious to build. If you buy most materials new, expect roughly $166 to $375. A practical build is often around $220 to $280. Option B is the easier Japanese-style version. It uses LED strip lights, a lightweight wood grid, and translucent white cloth or muslin. It will not be as bright as a flat panel, but it is warmer, lighter, cheaper, and easier to understand. Think of it like a glowing shoji panel for a windowless room. For many people, option B is the better first build. Start with the wall. Pick a blank wall that people see when they enter the room. Stay close enough to an outlet that the cord can be hidden neatly. Use painter's tape to mock up the window size before you build anything. If the taped rectangle already makes the wall feel better, you are in the right spot. Plan the cord path next. The cleanest route is straight down from the bottom of the faux window into a paintable raceway. If the cord is messy, the illusion is gone. For option A, test the LED panel before cutting wood. Turn it on, check the dimmer, and choose a believable daylight setting. Avoid icy blue. Avoid warm yellow lamp color. The best setting is neutral daylight, bright enough to lift the room, but soft enough to feel calm. Measure the panel exactly. Do not trust the package size. Most 2x4 panels are slightly smaller than the name suggests. Build the outer frame around the real panel, then dry fit it before attaching the front trim. The decorative casing is important. Without casing, it looks like a utility light. With casing, your brain reads it as a window. Leave a small inner lip so the panel cannot fall forward. Add a simple grid with lattice strips. Do not overcomplicate the panes. A clean 4-pane layout is enough. Paint the frame white if you want a modern basement window look. Before final assembly, handle the power safely. Use a plug-in ready panel or a manufacturer-approved plug-in driver, if possible. If the panel requires wiring inside a junction box, that is electrical work. Follow the manual and local code, or use an electrician. Do not show exposed wiring as a casual beginner step. Test the dimmer and test the panel through your phone camera. If the panel flickers on camera, fix that before filming the finished room. Then insert the panel into the back of the frame and secure it with clips or small wood blocks. Do not drill into the LED panel body. Make sure the cord exits cleanly and is not pinched. For option B, the build is more like a light box. Make a lightweight wooden frame, then add a simple shoji-style grid. Mount the LED strip around the inside perimeter. Keep the strip away from the cloth so there is an air gap. Then stretch white cloth or muslin across the frame as the diffuser. The cloth hides the LED dots and gives the window that soft paper lantern glow. Option B is best for ambience. Option A is best when the room needs more actual light. To mount either version, treat it like a heavy picture frame or mirror. Find the studs. Use a French cleat or rated anchors. Level the frame before tightening it. After it is mounted, run the cord down the wall, and snap it into a paintable raceway. This is the detail that makes the project look finished. Then add a smart plug if you want the room to wake up by itself. Morning on, evening off. Simple. For the final trick, add semi-sheer curtains slightly overlapping the edges. The curtains hide the boundary and make the glow feel like it is coming through fabric from outside. Before, the wall was just blank and dark. After, the room has a place where daylight seems to enter. That is the hack. Not a real window, not construction, just better light, better direction, and a room that finally feels less closed in.